Hi guys, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Instagram error, "Sorry, we couldn't complete your request on iPhone." So let's begin right away. So there are two steps I can suggest on fixing this issue. First is to offload or clear the cache of your Instagram app. And second is to make sure that your iOS is up to date. For the first step, you just simply open Settings, scroll down until you reach General, and then click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down once again until you reach Instagram. Click on Instagram and then click Offload App. And for the second step, just simply open Settings once again, go to General, and click on that software update. And then make sure you download and install the latest iOS. After doing one or both of the steps I have given to you, your problem now should be fixed. If not, please contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center in your location. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.